Hi, it's Chris from Collabit, and we're going to be talking about one of the features of the system, which is the payments and invoicing functionality. So once you've used the sales CRM and you have a quote accepted, then you can convert that quote and it will give you a schedule of works in the system and create one of these contracts. So we were looking at a contract now. So you could create a contract by hand, but mainly it comes as an automated process from getting a sale within the system. So it's easy to do without any admin at all. So there's a quote added to this contract for £1,000. You can add more than one quote to the contract. And then you've got a total contract value here of 1,000. So you're able to see the schedule, as in, i.e. the number of jobs and things you need to do in order to fulfill this contract in the schedule. But here you've also got an invoice schedule, which is a separate thing in the system. So you can create the rules for how you want to invoice this customer. So you could say, I want to invoice that £1,000 split quarterly, and just bill them the £250 no matter what, and you just have the quarterly line item here. So you could say quarterly bill, and then you could set that as 4 lots of 250, and then that would obviously then go through to the invoicing part of the system and bill there. But you can also do monthly or quarterly on job completed. So once the job's completed, the system will have the line items ready to go. So on the schedule, the quote will be ready once a month or once a quarter, and you'll be able to see what line items have been done, as in jobs have been done, and then the system will match those together. So I'll just show you that quickly. Now you'd have the invoice template, which you can customize and have all your own bits on, and you'd have these line items automatically added, and you'll be able to see if there's any other line items that haven't been part of that schedule for that customer, and you can tick them off and add them to the invoice, and then email the invoice from the system, and then we can connect to other accounts packages like Xero to update their ledger, and then you can obviously do your P&Ls and things like that. The connection can also be two-way, so you can see if someone hasn't been paying in your accounts package, and then you can use that in the sales CRM, so that you could say, I'm not going to kind of create any more sales for this customer if they're a bad payer. So lots of good features there to save time and cut down on admin. Cheers.